Oh, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. We're not doing that shaking thing right now. We're not doing that. I've had a very long day. I'm gonna need you to take your energy and just remove yourself for a little bit. We're not gonna be moving the camera around. Let's please stop moving the camera. Please stop playing with the equipment. I'm sure you mean the best. I'm gonna need it to stop though. I'm gonna make sure everything's plugged in good. Cause you know, the non-believers don't believe that I have a camera ghost that likes to shake up my camera every now and again. I could see it. Okay, shit. Right. Hello, my loves. Welcome back to the madness. I'm coming to you guys out of work. Makeup is caked up. Wig is ready to come off. This is actually my Lena Sleek wig that I did not feel like wearing straight in the middle. I wanted a side part in a wig like this. If you guys are interested in seeing any of my other wig reviews, they are all on a playlist, which I'll try to remember, leave it linked down below. And I'll try to link it with all my wig reviews from now on and some of my old ones. Pardon if the camera starts moving on its own. I try to have a nice little pep talk with whomever is moving my camera. I just hope that we're good now. But just apologizing in advance, how I do. Let you God pray. Let us pray that there's 3 wigs in here. Because I kind of had to throw a little tantrum so that I can finally get an update on my wigs. And I had to call and I had to speak to a representative and they were like, yeah, they're going to be shipped out tomorrow. And then tomorrow comes and they're like, well, your shit's on back order. And I'm like, what we not going to do is give me 3 different answers. What we are going to do though is ship my shit out or give me my money back. I'm about tired of these companies. This shit comes out of my pocket, my time, my research. I do a lot to find wigs that I will feel like I will love. I'm not gonna give clout to the brand, the company that I bought them from. I just don't do that. These companies, these websites want you to advertise their shit for free, and so they can get many sales from watching the videos. You guys can just Google wigs, the wig you like, find her if you find her at a price and a color that you like and you can work with, and the shipping, etc, etc. Or you can, usually I'll leave a Yahoo link, what the fuck? Usually I'll leave an Amazon link down below where you guys can check out the wig. And of course, you're more than welcome to Google it. Okay, guys? So I will give Daily or Dolly. I don't know if it's male or female. I'm so sorry. I can't put names to these people or phrases through these people. But I will thank Daily or Dolly for their time and for supposedly personally packing up my package and having it shipped that day after I got a little teensy impatient. I'm gonna start off with the first one I see here, and I don't see not one here that I don't like, you know. These are all wigs that I actually wanted. This one is because Magic Lace has not steered me wrong yet. I have the Magic Lace U-shaped lace wig. This one is, of course, the X1 Beat, my favorite shade ever. Cool Silver, which is a charcoal shade. This has a 4x4 part, so I could do right, left part. I want to be able to do that free part, whatever. So this one is the MLUH93. She's cute or whatever. So I know off the back I'm probably not going to like this curvature on the inside, but I can always flat iron that a little bit more, bend it back so that it, oh, okay, kind of moves a little bit. So I can maybe fix it, zhuzh it up or whatever. She looks like she has no parting, so that you would do that yourself. There's that 4x4 part right here, that silk top, but this is like actual like lace. This is really full up here. I'm trying to see if there's like filler hairs. Doesn't feel like it. Just feel like it's a nice thick density. This is definitely like a yaki, light yaki, like relaxed yaki texture. Let me show you guys the cap construction. It has a softer lace, not too soft, but a softer lace. 2 combs in the front, the 4x4 part. It has like a full cap look. It's meshed, very breathable, and a beautiful large comb in the back, because y'all know I love me a large comb in the back and the 2 adjustable straps. Like most wigs, I feel should have that. I always feel that you can always omit a comb or not use one or press it against the head instead of, you know, shoving them in your crown, rather than, you know. So the good thing about having a little bit of lace is you could kind of customize the hairline. I just cut it. I don't really have any rhyme or reason how I cut my lace, but here goes. Okay, lace around my head. You guys already know I kind of, holy shit. Okay. Where the hell's the part? What is this? What are this? Oh, okay. Girl, we're doing the most right now. I'm just trying to look like a professional woman. All right, so this I would definitely be doing work to it. Just like my other MLUH wigs, because you definitely have to work the part. I wanted something short and sassy like this in this color for a while, and it's funny because I don't look like her at all. She's so cute. This looks really hat-like right now on me, I feel. Let's do a middle part because y'all know I love me a middle part. I do, okay, I know that there's a lot going on with the waves and the curls, but this looks like a wig that if I ran my fingers through my hair, not that I want to, but I could be like, oh yeah. Ooh, no, let me stop. But it just feels that kind of way. Like this is the hairstyle that I would have loved when I do a blowout. I just feel like it's so dark. It looks really dark on camera, so it makes me look like I have a fucking, like a hat. Pretty actually. I definitely do have to do something with my hairline. And I feel like she does kind of look like a hat. At least on my monitor. I'm not sure how it's going to translate when I finally edit it. The back of it feels really nice. And show you guys the side. And I'm sure I can figure something out. I'm actually not even mad at this wig. This looks like when I used to cut my hair. Let me show you guys the back. So this is the back. I hope we're focused. This is the back. She's not that long. She's about maybe a 16-inch unit. Actually, so I actually like this sign. Oh wait, she's wearing, okay, well she's wearing it on this side, so I'm gonna wear it on this side. Ma'am, you look like you was rustling in the sheets, baby. Take my powder, and because I kind of split the hair, you see that? I kind of split the hair, just going where I actually parted it. So if it's crooked, fine, because it looks natural that way. And I like using a powder because, you know, it kind of dusts away naturally or whatever. I may be doing the most right now, but she's not gonna fool. She's gonna fool some people. I don't know, you guys. Let's zoom you in. Let's tutorialize this. Ooh. Don't judge me on my skin, okay? So you guys see the lace right here. You don't see any lace right here because I just covered it up with the black. So you guys see this lace right here? I'm gonna lift it. I'm gonna take my black shadow, like so. You can do a dark brown depending on what your roots are looking like, but because the wig is black, I'm gonna do it that way. And it doesn't make it stark black. You see that? It's gone. You can see the lace right here. Right. Well, what lace? I know this is weird, but I'm sure someone has a shit ton of really dark. I could even use, you know what I was thinking? Use a dark gray shadow. You guys can see I am taking the hairline and just dusting it with black shadow. You can always use a little bit of hairspray on the perimeter, like flip it over when you take off the wig and spray it down with a little bit of hairspray so the black doesn't dust all over your face, which will be fine. So I love this around my face. Yeah, I like it pushed in. I know it'll be in my face all day and I'll be like, ugh, blah, blah. But I think she's really beautiful. I'm digging her. I'm digging her. So yeah, that's pretty much it for my review and a little quick tutorial on how I would make her look natural. I know that girls with amazing edges can make any wig look good. I don't have amazing edges. I don't even think I have edges. So I have to work with what I have, and I use my powders and I try to make it as realistic as possible, and I try to use whatever little hairline I have to make it look good. I don't care that people know it's a wig. I just don't want to see myself in the mirror and be like, ma'am, what'd you do? That's pretty much it. This is my review for the MLUH93 units in the DYX1B Cool Silver. Love her. I love her. I love her. She's gorgeous. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. Of course you will. Anyway, that's pretty much it. I might wear her to work tomorrow. Y'all might see some Instagram pictures and ask me which one this is. There's no review yet, so it is now. Anyways, this is pretty much it. I hope you guys like my video. Please thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye. I'm gonna need Magic Lace to send me all their cool silver, platinum, cute colored wigs, even if they're like turquoise. I'm just gonna need them to send me these 4x4 lace parts, you know, and shit. Okay.